Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is 师傅 JJ, the license to Snake Kung Fu 2022. Let's go! The first basics, 拖云掌 leaves the cloud over your head and become the snake hand from top 45 down. With the power, the 拖云掌 is soft defense move. When someone punches you, you redirect this hand, come back and attack back with your side. The second movement, 分水掌 split the water both sides. You both hand right here, right hand go 45 up, and you push your left hand same time. Go behind. Of course, you attack both opponents. This go atop the chin. This can be bottom part. In basically number 3, the first move called 劈三掌 from top. You bend your elbow, shoulder relax, all power off. This part, and got full speed, you can drop top like here, and go followed by the 炮拳. The 炮拳 from a 形意拳, so the power from your shoulder and sword and drop with your whole power. So next is the snake hand. Your fingers tight with your full speed. The speed is the key for the snake. So this is the outside kick. Basics number 5. From this side and go up, all the way go outside. So kick. So stretching first to make sure you have flexibility and you got the speed and you can kick someone. Boom! And also can be blocking. If someone kick you this way, you can kick this way to blocking the kick or punch. The last basics, cartwheel or aerial. So follow me for steps. Here goes all the way 45 this way. Put your hand forward, kick. Like circle, your head upside down, your eye look the floor. So over again, you get more speed. You're comfortable with this. So you can with that speed, and you can follow by your left. That is the cartwheel. And this is what is hard. It's all about the technique. If your arm goes at full speed, if you kick speed enough, your head go down, you just like circle cartwheels. You can get this step by step. Don't hurry, so stay safe. Go. No, and twist. Go. That's all for today. The license to snake. Let me know if this is too quick. If I need a slower, we'll do in next section. So I love you all. I see you in next video. And bye bye.